If you try me, you like.
Alright, I found the case I wanted to get. It's this one right here. I think it's a really cool case, but I'm just having issues finding where the fuck the case is at. Hopefully I can find it. Okay, we got the PC case. Now time for the other stuff. Alright, we got the power supply right here. Tough. Alright, we got the dual monitors. I'm about to check out right now. Yeah, got everything loaded up into the car right now. We're looking good. I'm gonna go get some food and then I'm gonna go start building this. This is actually so crazy, bro. What the heck? Alright, I just made it back home. Gonna unload the car. And we're gonna start building right now. Got everything right here laid out. Before anything, I just want to say that RAM prices are ridiculous and SSD prices are ridiculous. I hope they go down, but yeah. So we got the motherboard right here, the Asus B550. Pretty nice motherboard. RAM. The main reason we got this is because the RGB, because who doesn't like RGB? We also got SSD right here, and I didn't pay 500. I play like 160 or some shit like that. 750 watts, gold rated power supply. Also got a RX 7600, Ryzen 5 5500, our case right here, and then 2 monitors. Honestly, I really do like this case. I like how it's glass on the side and glass on the front. And it looks cool. I really do dig the design. So yeah. And I literally took everything apart in like 3 seconds. Like this one screw was holding this whole thing. The top, you just pop it off, and then the back, you just pop it off. Shoo! Cool. All right. Fuck it now. All right, we're about to put the CPU in right now. All right, everything looks good so far. All right, I got everything right here. Connected the CPU fan, put the CPU cooler on, and yeah, about to put the motherboard into the PC case right now. All right, sorry, before we put the motherboard on, I'll put the heat shield on first. Yep, it's on. And now we're gonna put the motherboard. All right, got all the screws in. Oh shit, goofy out ringtone. All right, sorry about that, y'all. But basically, everything's mounted. Everything's looking good. We're gonna move on to the graphics card. All right, got the GPU right here. we're gonna go click it into there. All right, just put the GPU in place right now. The fitment's pretty good, so that's nice. I'm just gonna put the screws back on, make sure it's secure, and we're looking good. All right, everything is on, everything is secure, everything looks good. We're gonna move on to power supply. I really hate doing power supply. I pray I can do this under 30 minutes. We'll see. I'll update y'all. All right, so that last clip you saw was like at 150. It's currently like 321 or something like that. But if I did everything correctly, everything should be plugged up and we should be all set to go. So I'm praying to God this turns on. If it doesn't, I don't know. Shoo! Okay. Okay. I think I cooked. Everything seems to be working. CPU cooler, RAM's good. Fans are moving. Let me see GPU. Yeah, GPU is good too. Everything's working. I think we should be all set. Let me try something. I'm gonna see if the fans, I need to plug it somewhere else for the RGB. Give me 1 second. Okay, I got it. Shoot, this shit looks so tough, bruh. I can't lie. I like it a lot. But yeah, everything's cool, everything's working. Let me go download Windows and we should be done with this PC. All right, my fault. I went to go use the restroom, but yeah, everything's working and I'm very happy how it looks. I'm really jealous, bro, because this case is actually nice as fuck for $74. I wish I could have this case, but yeah, whatever. All right, right now I got the keyboard, got the mouse, got the new monitor set up. I'm putting Windows on here right now. I want to give a shout out to Lean. She donated her old mouse and her old keyboard to Abby, so big ups to her, I guess. All right, basically everything's done. We're all good. I'm just gonna download all these updates and it should be done in like maybe like 20-30 minutes. But yeah, after that we're gonna drop it off and is it done? All right, we arrived. Gonna put everything in there. Okay?
Yeah, bro, I'm ready.
You ready?
Am I gonna be able to lift it? Is it heavy?
A little bit.
Okay. Oh, it is heavy. Okay. Oh my god, bro.
You got it
I'm
though.
not strong. Wow. Wait. It's huge, bro.
It is a little huge.
You like it?
Oh, yes.
Oh, I gotta wait till it turns on though. They're
Wait,
pretty
what?
lit.
Oh. Okay, wait. Here's my big reaction.
All right, hurry.
Okay.
Oh.
I'm kidding. Bro.
You need a thumbnail
This is
picture.
so cool. I'm so excited to see it turned on, though. I'm really excited.
Yeah.
Ready for the satisfying peel? ASMR.
All right, you got one more, bro.
Okay.
Tough.
Tough.
You can start it. Press the button.
Do you have to hold it? Or
Awkward. Hold on.
awkward? Press and
Oh, wait,
hold.
hold on.
Oh.
What happened?
Plug it into this thing. I don't think that.
Oh, that
second
doesn't
plug
work?
Doesn't work. No.
Is that one of those switches that you have to turn on?
Maybe. Let's see.
Because mine is the same way. All right, press it one more time.
Let's see if it works now.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh wow! That looks so fucking cool.
Tough or not?
Tough.
Wow.
10 out of 10, bro. Tough. And it matches the. Okay.
Low key, kind of.
What
It's kind of
mouse
cheap
did you
though.
get her?
This Charlene's, bro.
What
But it,
mouse?
I don't know. It's like off Temu.
So cool.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
All right.
Mojo, are you excited about my PC? He said yes.
Sure.
All right, tough.
I'm ready.
There you go.
PC, 10 out of 10, amazing. If anyone needs a PC, at Sean Can Shoot. Okay, I'm done now.
No notes.
Let's park today.
Yeah, cause my fucking car.
What's wrong with the car?
Excited for a PC?
Oh, I think. Oh, we gotta start over again. I wasn't recording. Okay.
I'm excited for my PC tomorrow.
Wait, I wasn't recording. My fault.
Oh, bruh.
There you
Tell
go.
me when.
One more time. One more time.
I'm excited for PC tomorrow.